Follow the steps to mount the AI vision module vertically on VinciBot so the screen faces forward. Connect the kit to VinciBot with one end of the cable to the module and the other end to the extension interface of VinciBot. Turn on VinciBot and the screen lights up. Rotate the orange camera to check the preview image on the screen. For example, when the camera faces forward, the preview image is flipped. First, add the vision module. Then, write the program to flip the preview image and enable face detection. When a face is detected, VinciBot says hello and laughs.